Today, I'm going to show you how to save the bean seeds. So we have had these bean vines, all summer long. They have been producing beans and we have been picking them and using them. But I now they are not producing too many beans, and I still want to keep them because I want to save some bean seeds. So you have to wait till the leaves start to turn brown, and you leave some of the beans there. And when they dry up, you collect them and save the seeds. So that's what we are going to do. So if you look at these bean plants now, you can tell that this is end of the season. The leaves are drying out, no new flowers are coming, and some of the leaves are yellow. So I have left some of the beans on the vine so that they dry up and I collect seeds from them. So I've left quite a few of these. Oh, here, look at this. This one is like almost dry. Yeah, it is actually pretty dry. So you can hear the noise when I picked it. You can see, you can hear. So, uh, this is what you do. You leave a few beans on the plant, and when they dry up, you pick them and then just open them and save the seeds. So I'm going to collect some more and then I'll show you. So if you look at these are completely dry now. Just going to open these up and get the seeds out. Yep. And now they are ready for the next season. So basically, whenever you are growing a vegetable in towards the end of the season, leave some vegetables on the plant and let them dry up there and save the seeds, so that for the next season you don't have to buy the seeds. You can just use whatever you have. And I mean, this is true sustainable gardening too. Like this year has been really bad because of COVID. A lot of people are doing gardening and there was shortage of seeds everywhere. But if you save your own seeds, you don't need to depend on the stores to provide you the seeds. You can use your own seeds. So I hope this video was inspirational to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.